Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a super cool Balenciaga to show you today. So this is the Balenciaga City. It's one of Balenciaga's kind of classic bags, and it just looks so cool. I love the kind of studded features on it, all that gold hardware on that glossy black leather. It just looks really, really cool. So we've got double top handles. We've got that kind of plaited feature on those handles as well. And then we've got one removable strap too. You can see that leather removable shoulder strap. And then we have, along the front, we've got one exterior zipped pocket. So I'll just open that up to show you inside. And I love all these zip pulls with this long kind of tassely leather on them. I think that looks really cool. And then this is my favorite part about the bag. We've got a little detachable pocket mirror. I don't know why, I just love it when a bag comes with a little pocket mirror. I think it's really cute. And I love that you can attach this one to the outside as well. So you've always got a nice, easily accessible little mirror. And then we've got a zip top closure, again with little leather zip pulls. And that's got double zip pulls as well. So you can see we've got one on either side. And then inside, really nice and spacey on that inside. You've got loads of room in there, fabric lining, and we've got one zipped pocket. So that just opens up like that. Again, beautiful gold hardware. And then along the other side, we have got two flat pockets. So one here and one here too. So the condition of this one, we have called it very good all around. It's in a gorgeous condition. I love that leather has that kind of slouchy look to it, kind of quite a relaxed feel. And you can see it's all got that lovely kind of gloss to it. It is in a beautiful condition, super shiny. There is just a little bit of wear to these corners. So if you look right up to those corners, there's a little bit of kind of small scuffs on each of those, but very, very minimal. So that's why I've called that exterior very good. Hardware, again, we've called very good. I'm just going to show you that gold hardware right up close, especially kind of on these studs and areas like that. It's so gorgeous and shiny, and it's a nice rich gold tone to it as well. There's just kind of small areas of wear, mostly on this little zip pull here. You can see small little marks, dark scratches on there, similar on this other little zip pull on that zip top closure. So that is why I've called that hardware very good, because other than that, I think this is my favourite bit here. You can see how shiny that is. Just looks beautiful. And then the interior, again, we've called very good. There isn't really kind of any standout signs of wear on that interior. No standout marks. You can just tell that it has had a pre-loved life, that it's been used before, but again, in a very good condition on that interior. So it comes with a few bits. So again, you've seen we've already got that little detachable mirror there. And then we also have two Balenciaga control cards, as well as a little fabric swatch. And then we've got three Balenciaga care cards. Actually, this is just a blank one here. So we've got two blank ones, and then we've got one Balenciaga care card as well. And then finally, we have the Balenciaga dust bag. So this Balenciaga City also comes with a Selfridges paper bag as well. So if you'd like to know the exact measurements for this city, go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this exact bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. If that link doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you've been looking for one of these, you've seen it on our YouTube and it's already sold by the time you get to our website, all you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you want one of these and we'll get you on our request list. And then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So get yourself on that request list. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and you can pop it really nice and easily on your arm like that, and really show off all those cool hardware features. And of course, we also have that removable strap as well, so you can pop it on your shoulder too, for a bit more of an on-the-go look, an on-the-go bag. But it's just such a cool bag. So if you're looking for a classic city like this one, go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. So if you're interested in selling any of your bags, all the details you need to know are on that page. So have a read through there. Like this video while you're here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're a bag lover like we are. When you hit that alert button, you won't miss out on any of the beautiful bags that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.